Hello, good evening mga sunod-sunod. Welcome back to my channel. So, at this time po, nandito kami ngayon sa Mactan International Airport, Cebu. So, we need to wait until, I don't know what time, maybe 5 a.m. in the morning. So, now it's still 11 o'clock in the evening. So, we arrived early here in Mactan Airport because um, there is no other way for us to come here because we need to take a ship, yeah, fast craft from Bohol to Cebu. So the last trip there is 6:40 p.m. There is another one which is 10:30 or 12, but if you will take that ship, so maybe it will take us for about 5 hours to travel from Bohol to Cebu. So fast grab it takes only 2 hours. So we chose fast grab. So that's why now we arrived early and then we need to wait for our flight. So I'm very sleepy, guys. And I'll update you later. While waiting for our flight, kikilayan muna niya ako. So, PS po, disclaimer. Hindi po ako marunong. Disclaimer talaga. So, hindi ako marunong magkilay. So, yun na nga. Siya yung...
Isang dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah.
So, ayun na guys. Ito yun yung kalabasan. Look at my... Okay, so update ko lang po kayo. We're still here in International Airport, Cebu. And yeah, we're at the outside. So, naghihintay pa po kami. What time is it now? It's 2:51 in the morning. So, our 12:51? 2 naman good. Ay, it's 12:51 in the morning. So, we still need to wait for how many hours?
4.
4? So, we still need to wait for 4 hours. So, yan na. How do I live? Update ako. Hello guys, so we're here now. We're going on. So guys, we're on the plane now, and we're very happy because we did pass the immigration. So it took us for about 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. So here's my husband. Hi! We're going now, or we're heading to Taiwan.
gentlemen, we have just landed at the Yuhan Taipei International Airport.
Finally, we're here in Taiwan. Now we're going to Taichung. Yeah, Taichung. HSR station going to Taichung. Right here in the bus station where HSR Taoyuan station, and then we have eaten our breakfast. Yeah. Wala ko kasabot.
Ano?
Tubig diri.
Kulat hair.
Ano ang tubig?
Minaw, hindi ko ano. Hindi tubig sa mukha.
Iba yung train na nasa namin. So, just stop to the other station. Nandito na kami, bumaba kami kasi wrong train yung nakita namin. So we need to wait for our train.
Kasi ko titawag atong kan panggaba sa kahoy.
Kyushu.
Ah, very good. So,
We're friendly discount. Papunta na kami sa flower farm. Here. What's this? Ano ba yan? Drums. I don't know. I forgot. Hello mga sunag-sunag! So I guess that's all for today kasi lobat yung cellphone ko. So I hope you na-enjoy nyo yung video ko. So thank you so much once again for watching!